learn the numbers. And if you win, we will get you cake.
Okay.
Let's start.
Let's start. Okay.
Wow. Wow.
I take this.
Wow. This is the color blue.
I want this color.
This is the color
Yeah,
green. This is the color
Yes.
red.
This color yellow.
This is the color
Yellow.
yellow. And we have those colors.
I put it that. Bye bye.
Wow, what is this?
It's not fun.
Let's clean it.
I want to put it that.
Bye bye. Here we have the letters and the numbers, and here we have the card, and here we have the Play-Doh, and we have the towels. So in the card, look Jude, here we have from 1 to 10. We should do them to learn the numbers. So let's find them. There's the number 3. There's the number 1. There's the number 5. 5, yeah, good job. 0. Oh yeah, good job. 4. You. Wow. 6. 8. 0. 8. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Wait. 5. And we don't have to have 6. Oh, that's right in my hand. Oh. And now 7, 8. We need 9 and 10. Let's go find them. Oh, there's just 9. We need to find 9. This 9? No. Huh? No. Oh, wait. Yeah, 9. Now, we need to play with the Play-Doh and put them inside, and then the number will like go up like that. Wait, I will show you.
I put my hand.
Look,
I open it. Yes, I am strong. Look, I'm strong.
wow. Look at this. I'm doing it like a pizza. What is number 0? What is the number 0?
I don't know.
Okay, that's the wrong.
I got this.
Look like that. You put it. Wow.
Wait, I want.
Wow. This is number 0, dude. This is number 0.
I want number 1.
One.
Wow, I'm missing.
This is number 0. Zero line net 0.
Wow, I'm missing. I want this. Look, number 1.
Put this in here. We finished the first number. Now we'll move. Jude is doing 1, so I'm doing 2. Wow, amazing! Look at number 2. Everybody. Jude, this is number 2. Look.
I see it.
And you do number 1. Amazing. What? This is number 1.
I do number 3.
Oh, you do number 3. Let's go. to pour it here. Now, what is number 4?
Where's number 3?
Okay, put it in his place. Wow, amazing, you know. This is number 3, everybody. Now I'm doing number 4. Now we will choose another color. This is green and this is blue. We'll change them. Okay. Yeah. I will choose yellow. Red.
Okay.
Let's open them. Oh my God. Dude, can you give me the knife?
Okay,
Thank you. Eat. No, let's do a number. Who wants potato? Who wants potato? Who wants potato? No, potato.
Yes.
No, let's do number 4.
I take number 5. Look now. I can't. Yes, I understand. 5.
4. Here 5. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will do 7 and you will do 6.
I will put 6. I put it. I count it like this. Where's number 6? The 6. No. The 6. Okay, this.
And this is 7.
Wait, 6.
Now I will do 8 and you will do 9 in the left. 2 numbers. Now.
Where's 9? Here. 8. This 9. 8. I do it. This number 9.
Now, number 8. Yeah! Wow, it's too good.
Go away.
Look at number 8. Oh no, like that. Number 8. Look nice.
Me too.
And we finished. Now I think we learned the number. Let's see, Jude.
1, 2, 3, 7.
No, this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Good job! Look, Jude. Now we will do our name. So let's start. This is the letter M for Mahmoud. And this is the letter J for name Jude. Start Jude. This is the first thing of my name. This is A, the second letter of my name. The second letter is O, I think. Yeah, take it. So. And this is the second letter of my name. Now we need H. Oh, H. What is it? What is the U? Now I need H, the third letter of my name, Mahmoud, and he needs U, I think. Yeah, from the third letter from his name. Take. And we take. I finished the H. Look at the third letter of my name. And now Jude, for the fourth letter, he needs D. And me, for the fourth letter, I need O. Yeah.
Go away.
And I finished the fourth letter.
Wait till I finish.
Jude finished his name, but I don't finish it. I need 2 letters more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
G O U D. Jude. So I need the letter O. No, U, I mean. And what?
I win. My name is Joud.
And my name is Mahmoud.
I win.
For the last letter is D. What is the D? Give me D. Wait.
Yeah. Close it. Close it. Close it.
Wait. D. Mahmoud. I finished my name. Mahmoud. Spell it with me. M-A-H-O-U-D. Mahmoud. Jude, now you learn your name and you learn the numbers, and I will give you a surprise. Wait here. You will love it. Look at our new friend, Lion. Wow, look at the lion. Eat. And see you. No, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.